Hey Roblox adventurers, if you've encountered the frustrating widescreen issue when trying to join a game, fear not, we're here to help. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through multiple methods to troubleshoot and resolve the dreaded widescreen problem. Let's dive right in. Now, we have 4 methods. And let's proceed to method 1, which is to disable extensions. If browser extensions are causing conflicts, try this method. So, number 1 is to open your web browser. Then, step 2 is to click on the extensions icon and navigate to manage extensions. For here we have our extensions. And then step 3 is to temporarily turn off all extensions to see if any are causing the widescreen issue. Now mine are mostly off and that should be good. Now for the second method, which is to disable heavy tasks. To free up memory, follow the steps. So step 1 is to open Task Manager. Go. Then let's go and click on more details. Then step 2 is to examine processes and close any heavy tasks or unnecessary applications that may consume memory. See, the web browser right here is taking up most of my memory, and if I want to play Roblox, I would end this task. Then we have our third method, which is updating your drivers. Ensure your driver is up to date and can help fix compatibility issues. Now step 1 is to access the device manager, like so. Let's open our device manager. Then step 2 is to navigate to display adapters and right click to update the drivers. Now I have display adapter right here, then click right click and update the driver. Search automatically for drivers, and there we go. It says that Windows has determined that the best driver for this device is already installed. Then click close and then close. Now for method 4, we need to change the compatibility settings. To optimize Roblox, consider adjusting compatibility settings. So let's go ahead and first find our Roblox launcher. In the compatibility tab, click on disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator. And run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 7. And there you have it. By following these methods, you can troubleshoot and resolve the Roblox widescreen issue when joining a game. Remember, technology evolves, so these steps might change over time. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more gaming tips and tricks. Hit the notification bell to stay updated and feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Now, go ahead and enjoy your Roblox adventures without the frustration of the widescreen problem.